Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Ocho Rios and we are going to talk about a new healthcare center that's going to be built in Ocho Rios. The Ocho Rios Health Center. Now the government is doing a lot of developments in St. Anne, I should say. Some say St. Anne leads the nation in developments. And a lot of private sector developments are being done as well. The fastest growing area in Jamaica, Draxall, is in St. Anne. The second fastest area is in St. Anne, not St. Anne's Bay, Runaway Bay. So a lot is going on in St. Anne. So the government has to put in the infrastructure to keep this development going. So they are going to build a new health center for Ocho Rios, and we're going to talk about that. Today we're going to go through an article that gives information on it. Now this road that we're driving on is going to be expanded to 4 lanes because you can see how difficult it is to get into Ocho Rios. So this road is going to be 4 lanes, and also a highway is going to be built going from Miami Bay to the outskirts of St. Anne. So a lot of development is taking place, and that's just the government. A lot of private sector developments are taking place. So let's go. We're going to go through an article that gives more information on the Ocho Rios Health Center. Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. the Honorable Christopher Tufton, broke ground for the construction of the new $818 million Ocho Rios Health Center in St. Anne. The contract for the construction of state-of-the-art facility under the Health System Strengthening Program was also signed by Minister Tufton and Senitech Engineering Solutions Limited. It is expected that work will commence in short order and construction is projected to last 16 months. The new facility will span approximately 2,285 square meters and will significantly expand health services in the area. When completed, the health center will offer improved services such as ultrasound, dentistry, laboratory services, mental health care, curative care, and improved maternal and child health. It will also provide a more comfortable and efficient environment for both patients and medical staff. In his remarks, Dr. Tufton said the parish is experiencing unprecedented levels of development, not only in health but also in housing, roads, water, education, and sanitation. An $800 million plus health center means a proper facility. It is new and different. It is high-tech with all the features, and it means therefore better service for the people on the ground. In addition to that, it means more doctors, more nurses, and more services. Now that is a very positive thing, he stated. The minister further informed that over the past 5 years, the government has allocated $3 billion for the development of health infrastructure in the parish. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day. Thank you.